G'day everyone, this is going to be a very short tutorial on how to install Sqliteman into a Windows operating system. You'll probably notice here that I'm using Microsoft XP, and I'm actually using a 32-bit version. I've tested this out on Windows 7, both 32-bit and 64-bit, and also for Windows 8, 32-bit and 64-bit. And if you just follow the exact process that I'm going to do, it works perfectly well. That said, if you do run into any difficulties at all, either send me an email and or leave a comment, and I'll address it as soon as possible. Now, if you go to the Sqliteman website, and go to the download, it provides multiple versions, but you see it provides a version for Windows. Now, what they've actually got here, there must be an error with the actual web page right now, is a link to the actual files using compiling it. So basically, it provides all the source files that you would then use to go onto whatever system you're working within, compile, and then run. Now, you can do that by all means, and I highly encourage the coding enthusiasts to have a play around with it if they want to. That, however, is probably going to be a little bit tricky, and also will be very difficult to explain in a short video. So what I've actually done is I've found a source where someone has actually executed it and has actually built the application. So all we have to do is just double click on the .exe run file, so to speak. Now, this link here will be provided in the comments, so don't worry about having to copy it via looking on YouTube. You'll notice here Sqliteman 1.2.2, that's the version that we're dealing with, that's the latest version. So we just click on this link here, and it should just come directly into a download. Just a sec. Okay, so we're going to save the file. Sorry about this, my connection isn't exactly the greatest. Come on, come on. Okay, and we're done. Okay, so now we've got the folder. We need to open this up. Okay, so this is the zip folder. Obviously, we need to extract this. I'm just going to extract it to the desktop. You can extract it wherever you want. So extract all the files, browse. I'm just going to extract it to the desktop. Click next. Click off that. Finish. Okay, so now I've downloaded the zip file. I've unzipped it, and I've unzipped it to the desktop. Okay. So now, once I open up the folder, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is double click on this icon. Click run, and that's it. We're into Sqliteman. That's all you need to do. There is no installation, so to speak. It's just downloading the executable and running it. Obviously, don't play with any of these files unless you know exactly what you're doing. Especially, well, pretty much everything within here, I'd recommend you just do not touch whatsoever. This is SQLite, the actual application, and if you want to interact with that directly, by all means you can. Again, if you want to know how to do that, email me or leave a comment, and I'll post up a video and or some form of a response for you. But in terms of running the application, you just need to double click on this, click run, that's it. In terms of getting started with SQLite, I've got another video which will be available on Blackboard, and also it will be emailed out to all the people in the class. Just introducing SQLite and just showing you how to get around some of the basics. Okay, well, I hope that was informative. As I said, if you run into any problems with any of the operating systems, any of the Windows operating systems that you're working with, please let me know. I'll address that, and I'll do what I can to fix it as quick as possible. Okay, bye.